Hello everybody, this is Sabina here and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Today's episode we are here in Caravana resort in Ajman, but let's go back in time because it's quite an interesting story to see how did we end up here. I thought, why don't we spice up this trip and let's have the UAE map. Let's pin on a random location and let's see where we end up. Guys, Ajman it is!
You have arrived at your destination.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, only one is inside of me.
Now it's nearly 5 o'clock and we are just making use of the last ray of sun before the golden hour hits to make the shots we need for the promo video and for the vlog, some photos. So this is what you're gonna see now. So we're about to do some barbecue time, and she is washing the eggplants. We don't need salt and pepper or any seasoning, we're just using the natural resources that we have. I just realized I brought scissors, so... Which one is your tattoo, this or this? Cheers! Yeah, this is what happens when you leave the grill for like unattended for 10 minutes, and yeah, it's just a bit crispy.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day.
If you're not a professional at grilling, then we just go for talabat. It always saves the day. Sticky rice, fried noodles, and the grill platter. It sounds fancy when I say grill platter, right? Good morning! We are setting up the breakfast photo shoot just here at the terrace of the caravan. Look, it's so delicious. Shakshuka, hash browns, my favorite. Some bread and croissant.
More food over there.
Juice. Oh yeah, and we have some that didn't even fit in the picture, but we have eggs and everything. Hit the like button and subscribe. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. You know what to do.
Hit the like button.
Subscribe.
And see you in the next one.